And welcome, friends. Okay, and I am Saktishwaran, and welcome to the Bola Calculus channel. So today, what we are going to see is a very typical topic. So this is sketch graphs. So it has about 15 million CAD sketches and geometrical constraint graphs. So you can draw these things. So it is just simple that you can generate these things. Okay, after you generate these things, what will happen is with a JSON file you can use a text generation or a normal NLP code. It will figure out all the commands used in it. Okay, you can give the feed to the Onshape and it will start to draw the diagram. The data set is about 43 GB and it is in this JSON format. Okay, so you can download that and start using it. So these have a very vast applications where all the industrial sketch CAD requirements will be satisfied, and the modules used in this are very simple. You can also use it in C or C++. So those are very simple, that you are using only standard modules. Okay, so these are very standard modules and these will surely take up. Okay, so you have to be very updated. So this is the CAD data set for deep learning. Okay, computer aided design data set for deep learning for drawing diagrams. So I come here to tell you the dangers of this. Okay, I just come here to tell you all the dangers that has been subjected to this. So after this thing, what will happen is it may be okay. Where's my specs? So it may affect your career. Okay, it may affect your career because these CAD diagrams, if they are given as a feed to a network and the model is generated, it could even try to do even 3D drawings and all those things which could overcome humans. So I am taking you back to this site. Okay, the site over here. Okay, so as you can see, it is given a lot of details, and also what you can do is there is also a JSON demo notebook given over here. You can start to train these things. So when you start to train these things, what will happen is everybody could understand that this is a sketch graph, and you can just give a feed it like an hand drawn doodle, and the doodle will take care of it. Okay, as you can see, how to start and how to end, how to draw a line, and everything is a graph. Okay, so this is all given, and also Onshape developer credentials required to visit Onshape sketch graphs. Okay, and you can also do this. So it is keep on developing. Okay, it's keep on developing. This is not I don't think this is an end to mechanical engineers, but this could also open a new path. Okay, so thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe. This dataset is so important that mechanical engineers may lose their jobs. Okay, because it is capable of drawing all those diagrams by itself. So, and the sketch graph is one among them. Okay, one among the scary technologies of AI. Okay.